You've probably heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and there's actually some truth to that. But have you ever wondered what is the best food to eat in the morning if you are over 60? A healthy morning meal can boost your energy, help you think more clearly, help your muscles to stay strong, and even lower your chances of developing diseases like diabetes or heart disease. Pretty impressive for just one meal, right? Whether you want to shake up your current breakfast routine or you're looking for some fresh ideas, here's what you need to know about eating well in the morning. The morning meal sets the tone for everything that follows. Skip it and the body starts cannibalizing muscle for energy. Choose poorly and blood sugar spikes and crashes like a broken carnival ride. But pick the right foods and something interesting happens. The body starts working with you instead of against you. Today we're revealing the 14 breakfast foods that don't just fill you up, they actually help turn back the clock. Stick around because number 8 will surprise you. So what is the best food to eat in the morning? Let's look at top 14 healthy breakfast ideas for seniors. 1. Boiled or scrambled eggs. Eggs might be the most underestimated food on the planet. While people worry about cholesterol myths from the 1970s, they're missing what eggs actually do. They rebuild you from the inside out. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids in perfect proportions. This isn't just protein, it's the exact blueprint the body needs to repair muscle tissue that naturally breaks down with age. The Journal of American College of Nutrition proved something remarkable. People who ate eggs for breakfast consumed fewer calories throughout the entire day. The body stays satisfied longer because it got what it actually needed. But here's where eggs get interesting for aging. The yolks contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 compounds that accumulate in the retina and act like internal sunglasses. As people age, these protective compounds decline, leading to vision problems. Eggs replenish them. Then there's choline, a nutrient most people have never heard of but desperately need. Choline builds acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter crucial for memory and muscle control. The aging brain produces less of it naturally. Eggs provide more choline than almost any other food. Whether scrambled, boiled, or folded into an omelet with vegetables, eggs deliver complete nutrition in a form the body recognizes and uses efficiently. 2. Cottage cheese bowl. Okay, hear me out on this one. Cottage cheese for breakfast is actually amazing. It's loaded with protein and you can basically throw whatever you want on top of it, just like those fancy smoothie bowls everyone's always posting about. The cool thing is you can totally switch it up depending on your mood. Want something sweet? Sprinkle on some cinnamon or drizzle honey over it. More of a savory person? Pile on some avocado and tomatoes and you've got yourself a whole different meal. And here's a pro tip. Toss some nuts or seeds on there too. They'll give you those good fats and make it way more filling. It's like having the most flexible breakfast ever. 3. Oatmeal. Oats contain something most breakfast foods don't, beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that acts like an internal cleaning crew for the cardiovascular system. This fiber doesn't just pass through, it actively pulls cholesterol out of the bloodstream. 1 cup of oatmeal provides 13 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber, along with iron, folate, zinc, and phosphorus. But the real magic happens in the digestive system. Beta-glucan forms a gel-like substance that slows sugar absorption, preventing the blood sugar spikes that accelerate aging at the cellular level. The satiety factor matters too. Oatmeal triggers the release of hormones that signal fullness, preventing the mid-morning energy crash that leads people to grab whatever's convenient, usually something processed and inflammatory. Steel-cut oats provide the most benefits, but even instant oats work if they're unsweetened. Add nuts, seeds, or berries for extra nutrition, but avoid the flavored packets loaded with artificial ingredients and added sugars. 4. Flax seeds. These tiny seeds pack more omega-3 fatty acids than most fish. For aging bodies dealing with chronic inflammation, the underlying cause of most age-related diseases, flax seeds offer a plant-based solution. The omega-3s in flax seeds, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, reduce inflammatory markers throughout the body. This matters because chronic inflammation accelerates aging by damaging cells, blood vessels, and organs. Regular flaxseed consumption lowers C-reactive protein, a key inflammatory marker linked to heart disease and cognitive decline. Flax seeds also provide lignans, compounds that act as phytoestrogens. As hormone levels naturally decline with age, these plant compounds help maintain hormonal balance, particularly beneficial for postmenopausal women. The fiber content aids digestive health, while the protein helps maintain muscle mass. Ground flax seeds work best. The whole seeds often pass through undigested. Blend them into smoothies, sprinkle on oatmeal, or mix into yogurt. 5. Berries. Berries contain more antioxidants per calorie than almost any other food. These compounds don't just prevent disease, they actively reverse cellular damage caused by free radicals. The deep colors in berries come from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and accumulate in memory centers. Studies show regular berry consumption improves cognitive function and may delay or prevent neurodegenerative diseases. But berries work throughout the body. The antioxidants reduce inflammation in blood vessels, improving circulation and heart health. The fiber helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, while the natural sugars provide energy without the inflammatory spike of processed sugars. Blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries each offer unique antioxidant profiles. Frozen berries work just as well as fresh, sometimes better, since they're picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen to preserve nutrients. 6. Whole wheat toast. Whole grains provide something refined grains can't: sustained energy release. While white bread causes blood sugar to spike and crash, whole wheat toast delivers glucose gradually, maintaining steady energy levels throughout the morning. The fiber in whole wheat supports digestive health and helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. B vitamins support nervous system function, while minerals like magnesium and selenium support muscle and immune function. Toasting the bread actually lowers its glycemic index by changing the structure of starches, making it even better for blood sugar control. Top with avocado, nut butter, or eggs for a complete meal that provides protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. 7. Nuts and nut butters. Nuts provide the kind of fats the aging body needs: monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats that reduce inflammation and support heart health. Regular nut consumption is linked to lower rates of cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of death in older adults. The protein in nuts helps maintain muscle mass, while the fiber promotes satiety and digestive health. Nuts also provide vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects cell membranes from oxidative damage. Different nuts offer different benefits. Almonds provide calcium for bone health. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids for brain health. Brazil nuts provide selenium, a mineral that supports thyroid function and immune health. Nut butters work when they're made from just nuts, no added sugars or oils. Spread almond butter on whole grain toast, add walnuts to oatmeal, or blend cashews into smoothies. A 2022 study concluded that unless you have a nut allergy, consuming a handful of nuts and seeds each day may help lower the risk of cardiovascular disease and other health issues. 8. Protein shakes. You're not imagining it. Holding on to muscle really does get tougher as we age. Without strength training, we can lose around 4 to 6 pounds of muscle every decade. There's even a name for it: sarcopenia. Almost half of people over 80 deal with it. Some muscle loss is just part of getting older, but too much can seriously affect your life. Think higher risk of falls, struggling to get around, or losing independence. The good news? This isn't inevitable. It's preventable with adequate protein intake. Protein shakes provide a concentrated source of amino acids when whole food preparation isn't practical. The key is choosing quality protein powder without artificial additives. Whey protein provides all essential amino acids and absorbs quickly. Plant-based proteins work too, especially when they combine multiple protein sources to provide complete amino acid profiles. Adding fruits, vegetables, nuts, or seeds transforms a simple protein shake into a complete meal. The liquid form aids absorption, making nutrients immediately available when the body needs them most, first thing in the morning after an overnight fast. 9. Bananas. Bananas provide more than just natural energy. The potassium content supports cardiovascular health by helping regulate blood pressure and heart rhythm. Most people don't get enough potassium, and this deficiency becomes more problematic with age as kidney function naturally declines. According to a 2024 study, the resistant starch in slightly green bananas feeds beneficial gut bacteria, supporting digestive health and immune function. As bananas ripen, the starch converts to natural sugars, providing quick energy without the inflammatory effects of processed sugars. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, crucial for neurotransmitter production and brain health. The magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, while the fiber aids digestive health. 10. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt provides twice the protein of regular yogurt and contains live cultures that support digestive and immune health. The gut microbiome changes with age, often leading to decreased immune function and increased inflammation. Probiotic foods help maintain healthy gut bacteria. The calcium in Greek yogurt supports bone health, crucial as bone density naturally declines with age. The protein helps maintain muscle mass, while the probiotics support overall immune function. Choose plain Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars, then add your own fruits, nuts, or seeds. The combination of protein, probiotics, and calcium makes Greek yogurt one of the most complete breakfast foods available. 11. Avocado. Avocados provide monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation and support heart health. But their real value might be in how they enhance the absorption of other nutrients. The healthy fats in avocados help absorb fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, K from other foods eaten at the same meal. Avocados also provide fiber for digestive health, potassium for heart health, and folate for cellular function. The oleic acid in avocados has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers and may help prevent cancer. 12. Spinach. Spinach provides more nutrition per calorie than almost any other food. The iron supports energy production and prevents anemia, common in older adults. The folate supports cellular function and may help prevent cognitive decline. Spinach also contains lutein and zeaxanthin for eye health, vitamin K for bone health, and nitrates that support cardiovascular function by improving blood flow. Raw spinach works in smoothies, while cooked spinach can be added to omelets or breakfast skillets. Cooking actually increases the bioavailability of some nutrients while raw provides others, so including both forms is ideal. 13. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes provide beta-carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A for immune function, vision, and cellular health. The complex carbohydrates provide sustained energy without blood sugar spikes. The fiber supports digestive health, while the potassium supports heart health. Sweet potatoes also provide vitamin C for immune function and collagen production, important for skin and joint health as we age. Roasted sweet potato can be added to breakfast bowls, or sweet potato hash can serve as a base for eggs. 14. Green tea. Green tea contains catechins, particularly EGCG, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from damage and may extend lifespan. Regular green tea consumption is linked to reduced risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and neurodegenerative diseases. The L-theanine in green tea promotes calm alertness, providing mental clarity without the jitters associated with coffee. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine improves cognitive performance and mood. Green tea also supports weight management by increasing metabolism and fat oxidation. The anti-inflammatory effects benefit every system in the body. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Do you already eat any of these foods in the morning? Which one are you planning to add to your breakfast? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, type yes in the comments below. Hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Also, be sure to check out these 2 videos we've selected just for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.